What is passive income? Passive income is money you earn in a way that requires little to no daily effort to maintain. It increases your wealth building plan. It creates an opportunity to retire early. It protects you from a complete loss of income if you lose your job. It provides an additional source of income when you're no longer able to work or if you outlive your retirement fund. Some ways to earn are: dividend stocks distribute part of the company's earnings to investors on a regular basis, such as quarterly. High-yield savings accounts. High-yield accounts are a type of federally insured savings account that earns an interest rate that's often much higher than the national average. Rental properties. Purchasing properties. Long-term rentals can provide a reliable source of cash if they are located in a healthy market for renters. You can also focus on short-term rentals through renting platforms. Real estate investment trusts, REITs. Similar to mutual funds, REITs are companies that own commercial real estate, such as office buildings, retail spaces, apartments, and hotels. REITs tend to pay high dividends, but they vary in complexity and availability. Peer-to-peer lending. An alternative to traditional bank loans, match investors who are willing to lend money with borrowers who are vetted by the platforms for creditworthiness. Being a silent partner. Funding a private business you believe has the opportunity to generate future income. Blogging. Display advertising. By running sponsored content, which means companies pay you a fee to publish a post on your blog. Affiliate marketing, which allows you to earn commissions if your readers purchase a product or service you've recommended or linked to. The idea is to build wealth that lasts. Oh, by the way, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below.